When we built this pool, my initial thought was, boy, I'll build a pool that's 25 yards long so I can do laps, but I don't have 25 yards in my backyard. It was just a no-brainer.
There's so many backyard pools that would be impossible for swimming, just wouldn't be useful. But to put a Fastlane in there immediately opens up a universe for a swimmer.
Endless Pools has set the standard for smooth, adjustable, countercurrent swimming. With the Fastlane by Endless Pools, you can get the finest swim current on the market and easily install it in almost any in-ground or above-ground pool. The Fastlane gives you endless pool convenience in your new or existing traditional pool.
Swimming is zero impact. It's fantastic cardiovascular exercise. The Endless Pools Fastlane actually transforms a family swimming pool into a training pool.
All the kids can swim. We can make it fun. They always, always, always ask us, can we turn that Fastlane on?
The Fastlane benefits the whole family. With its floating remote control, the Fastlane easily adjusts to suit any swimmer at any level.
I don't understand how swimming in just a small jet could work. You know, the human body needs to have that resistance around it to really duplicate the sense of swimming, and only the Endless Pool and the Fastlane do that.
At one of the hotels along the way, I swam against some jet thing. It was not very pleasant. It just got bubbles, and I didn't use it very long. It wasn't worthwhile.
If you swim in a pool, even if it's a long lane, you're making a flip turn every 50 yards. Here, you're just swimming.
With the Fastlane by Endless Pools, you can truly enjoy swimming for fun and for your health with all the comforts of home.
You can swim endlessly in place at your own pace with your own resistance for as long as you like.
A lot of days before work, we get up, we exercise. With our busy lifestyle, it takes a lot more time to get in the car, drive down to the local gym or the community center to swim. So swimming at home and having the pool in the backyard has been a real blessing.
The Fastlane fits almost any in-ground and above-ground pool. The Endless Pool swim current stands head and shoulders above the resistance jets offered by other manufacturers.
It's the great swim machine. It's just fast and efficient, and I love it.